Hey, what's happening, Strong Fencing? Brendan again. Another beautiful day here in the sunny Waikato Bay of Plenty. Looking at this vertical slat sliding, it's not a sliding gate, double gate. You can see it's got these 65mm slats with the 20mm gap. It's been custom made. The bottom rail has been CNC routed, so those fit inside, and in a moment I'll show you what it looks like. But this one's actually a little bit different because it has a rising hinge, and so you can see when the gate's in this position it's on an angle. That's because the hinge at the bottom is actually protrudes out, and we've got this heavy duty mechanism here. I'll just get my assistant to close the gate, that'll be great. I've got an assistant today, it's pretty cool. Of course it finishes down on this steel stopper that's concreted into the ground, and you'll just see as it comes back down, it comes perfectly back down into the closed position. This is the Q bolt. If you get the Q bolt, this is, I found, out of about 10 different bolts, this is the most heavy duty. It comes in a 600 and a 1 meter long. It's a DD Technologies, but that's what the Q bolt looks like. And it's just got this double-sided lock latch on here as well. But if you just close that one, close that, that's what it looks like in the complete closed position. And I'll just shoot around the back and I'll do a shot from the back. This is what the back looks like. You can see it's got a horizontal support in the middle. That's for strength, but also looks kind of cool. Why would you want a slat gate? Well, you've got the airflow factor. Air can flow through it. You can actually see out of it. You can see who's on the other side. So that's better for less wind resistance. A big sort of solid flat gate's going to pick up a lot more wind, so you might have problems with it blowing around and stuff. But yeah, slats are great because there's airflow, but also the modern look, and that's what it looks like from the inside. Put in with these heavy duty 100 by 100 steel posts, super steel, and these are through gudgeons, but you can see that the actual gudgeon plate, 20mm gudgeon plate's been welded onto the gate, so you don't, with slat gates, you don't want any bolts protruding from the other side. It's always good to make the face look nice and clean. And so slat comes in a couple of different sizes. Goes from 50mm, 65 to 100, all the way up. But 65mm and 100 are generally the sizes that people want to use. And also comes with a 10-year powder coating guarantee on these Dulux powder coating. This isn't the cheap powder coating. This has an epoxy primer undercoat, which you need because aluminium is actually porous. It has holes in it, and air can come up and rip your powder coating off in 3 years. So don't always get the cheapest price, get the best price, get the best product, and for that you definitely want to come to strongfencing.co.nz. Alright, have a great day, make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you for the next video. Okay, bye.